Get ready for an exciting update. Midjourney has just released its highly anticipated version 5.2, packed with some of the most remarkable upgrades. Let's explore these incredible features together. Introducing Midjourney 5.2, the latest and most advanced version of this groundbreaking image generation platform. Midjourney has always been at the forefront of AI-powered visual transformations, and with its latest release, it takes the game to a whole new level. The biggest update in the history of Midjourney is here. Brace yourself for the mind-blowing zoom feature. Now you can zoom out and watch as Midjourney automatically fills in the rest of your image. And the best part? You can keep zooming out, going twice as wide each time until you reach the perfect width that suits your vision. And if that's not enough, there's also a custom option that allows you to precisely control how far you want to zoom out and adjust the size of your image. It's like having your very own zooming superpower. Let's dive in and explore the incredible world of variation control and zooming options. Your creativity knows no bounds. One of the standout features is the zoom out function. Imagine being able to expand an image while maintaining its original details. That's exactly what this feature does. It's like having a camera lens that lets you zoom out and create a scene around a central image. But here's the exciting part. You can keep zooming out, expanding the image endlessly. It's a never-ending canvas of creativity. It's important to note that the zoom out feature currently works with images generated within Midjourney. You can experiment with it by generating any version 5.2 image and then scaling up the result. And guess what? You'll find zoom buttons right there, allowing you to zoom out by 1.5x, 2x, or even a custom amount. The power is in your hands to create visually captivating and expansive scenes. First, let's dive into the Zoom Out 1.5x feature more. Brace yourself because this is where things get truly impressive. Selecting this option will create a magical transformation in your image. It's like unlocking a hidden world of details in the background. Compare the original image to the zoomed out version, and you'll notice a remarkable difference. It's like unveiling a whole new dimension. But wait, there's more. The beauty of Midjourney's zoom out function lies in its ability to take you even further. Let's say we go for the 2x zoom. Now, behold the image that emerges from this expanded perspective. It's truly a sight to behold. With each subsequent zoom out, more and more intricate details are revealed in the background. It's like adding brush strokes to a masterpiece, enhancing the richness of the scene. However, it's important to note that while you gain an overall perspective, the number of pixels remains the same. This means that although some detail may be lost, the overall impact is still nothing short of amazing. Think of it as an artistic diffusion, where the image expands without compromising on pixel count. This feature opens up a world of possibilities for creating captivating visuals. It's like having your own virtual canvas to play with, where each zoom out adds depth and dimension to your artistic expression. So embrace the power of Midjourney's zoom out feature and let your imagination soar. With each click, you'll unlock new layers of detail and bring your images to life in ways you never thought possible. But that's not all. Midjourney 5.2 also introduces the Make Square tool. If you've ever wanted to modify the shape of your images beyond the perfect square, this tool is here to help. It allows you to adjust the aspect ratio, making it possible to expand landscape images vertically or in other directions. This flexibility opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for image generation. With Midjourney 5.2, you have the tools to unleash your imagination and create stunning visuals like never before. The innovative zoom out function and the versatile Make Square tool empower you to push the boundaries of your creativity and take your imagination generation to new heights. Then we have the amazing variation control. You can now effortlessly add subtle variations to your creations with a simple click. Midjourney has significantly improved its ability to understand your text input, resulting in even better and more tailored results. It's like having a whole palette of creative options at your fingertips. Now you can control the visual nuances of your generated images. With this tool, you can choose between high variation mode and low variation mode. High variation adds a touch of uniqueness and divergence from the original output, while low variation ensures greater visual consistency. It's like having a magic wand to tailor your visuals just how you want them. The zoom out feature could be used to create new types of visual content that were not previously possible. For example, it could be used to create immersive VR environments or to generate abstract art. It could also be used to improve the quality of existing images. For example, it could be used to add details to a photo taken in low light or remove unwanted objects from an image. The zoom out feature is still under development, but it can potentially be a valuable tool for artists, designers, and creative professionals. I am excited to see how this feature will be used in the future. Users can explore two distinct choices within this innovative image generation platform: strong and subtle. To illustrate their impact, an image featuring realistic headphones emitting smoke from the earpieces was created. With a DSLR ultra-white setting and a 16:9 aspect ratio. Upon selecting the subtle variation option and proceeding with the submission, Midjourney swiftly generates 4 images. These creations bear a noticeable resemblance to both the original input and each other, as they showcase minor differences in visual elements. The orientation of the headphones remains relatively consistent across all images, while the presence of smoke provides a cohesive aesthetic. Alternatively, opting for the stronger variation option yields a set of images with more pronounced diversity. When comparing these 4 creations, one can observe significant variations in the orientation of the headphones, adding a dynamic touch to the collection. Additionally, the patterns of smoke emanating from the earpieces exhibit unique characteristics, further enhancing the visual impact. But that's not all. Midjourney 5.2 also introduces the Stylize command, which allows you to infuse your images with a non-realistic artistic flair. You can now create more lifelike and aesthetically pleasing images, putting you in complete control of the final look and feel of your creations. And here's another exciting addition: the shortening command. This handy feature allows you to modify non-essential words in your prompts, making it easier for the tool to generate the perfect image. It's all about streamlining the process and getting you to your desired result faster and more efficiently. Midjourney 5.2 represents a significant leap forward in AI image generation. It enhances the user experience and pushes the boundaries of AI artistry. As technology continues to evolve, platforms like Midjourney lead the charge, revolutionizing the way we create and interact with digital art. So buckle up and get ready for an amazing journey with Midjourney 5.2. This version is packed with innovative features and improvements that will elevate your image generation game to the next level. Let your creativity soar and witness the magic of AI come to life. Midjourney continues to push the boundaries of AI image generation, providing users with enhanced control, improved aesthetics, and a seamless user experience. The power to transform text prompts into stunning visuals has never been more accessible and exciting. Thank you for joining us to explore Midjourney's latest breakthrough in AI-powered image synthesis. The unveiling of their cutting-edge model, equipped with the remarkable zoom-out feature, has opened up a world of possibilities for creators and artists alike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest advancements in the world of AI and digital art. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next exciting adventure with Midjourney.